This is Smith Machine close grip bench. You're gonna set up the bench nice and flat just like this. All you're gonna do is make sure that your head is far enough back, so you wanna make sure that the bar is sort of over the lower chest area. You're gonna put your hands, now this can vary from person to person, but as a general rule, roughly shoulder width or a little bit narrower, okay? All you're gonna do is obviously unrack the weight like this. You can keep your thumbs around the bar like this, or you can use this thumbless grip. Just be aware that with the thumbless grip, obviously there's a bit of risk. So I would advise sticking with the thumbs around grip just for a start. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna allow your hand to drop straight down to the shoulder. Let the elbows flare down. You'll notice where I am here now, the bar is sitting on my chest. The elbows aren't too flared up high, they're tucked sort of underneath, so they're actually closer towards my hips here than they are up towards my shoulder. And then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive the bar back up again. If I wanna make sure that I'm getting the most triceps out of this, because this is primarily a tricep movement, what I can do is two things. Number one, I can make sure that whenever I come down here, I can let the bar touch my chest if I'd like, but making sure that I don't let the weight of the bar rest on my chest is gonna be key. Keeping the weight actually on the triceps. And when I hit the top position as well, not locking out fully. So if I just maintain this position here, again, I'm gonna maintain a lot more tension on the triceps. So down nice and slow. Just like that, okay? And in terms of the movement pattern, where the elbows actually go, you're not coming up super wide here. The elbows are coming down like this. If you imagine there was a bar in my hand, the bar would be here, hand would be there, and then the elbow slightly flared underneath. So actually from an above view, you can see here where the elbows are. They're not directly under the bar, they're not up here, they're not there, they're flared slightly underneath, okay? So slightly underneath the bar. I can get a little bit more tricep if I have good shoulder mobility by bringing the hands even closer together, but just be aware that for some people this might be uncomfortable. On the wrists, on the shoulders. But if you can get away with it, might be worth a go. So that is close grip Smith bench, a great tricep exercise.